In this video, I'm quickly going over 7 sexual transmitted infections, aka STIs, from oral sex coming up. If you haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find helpful discussion of videos to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. And also too, at any point in the video, make sure you check out the links in the show notes in the video description about today's topic. Okay, let's go. First up, we have general. Why I keep saying general, like genital herpes? Is herpes a general?
Genital herpes, reporting for dirty.
So up first we have genital herpes. Sometimes you're not able to see it, but getting genital herpes hurts like hell and it's so damn itchy, especially around the mouth and lips. Other times you'll notice small bumps and blisters, but would eventually turn into like sore bumps around the mouth. Now there isn't any cure for genital herpes, but if you go to the doctor, they can actually give you some medication to help you control the outbreaks. Next we got gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is a very common infection. However, it doesn't really show that you have it. And what I mean is it doesn't really show any symptoms. You can get this type of infection from someone's genitals into the other person's mouth. But there's some good news. So if you go to the doctor and catch it early, you can actually get some medications and it'll be cured like that. Next up we got chlamydia. Chlamydia. Vamos chlamydia. Tu la luna. Malamente. On a more serious note, it is super difficult to detect, but it's also something that's very common you can get through oral sex. Now, according to WebMD, pause real quick. I don't know about you guys, but every time I go on WebMD and I'm feeling very sick and I'm trying to figure out what the hell is wrong with me, I feel like I have 12 more hours to live. And then that's it. The way how they describe things is like, damn, I'm about to die in like less than 2 hours. WebMD, you gotta stop that shit. It's scaring a lot of people. You're scaring me. Now, what are you saying about chlamydia? Most of the time, chlamydia can be cured with medication within a week. Damn, WebMD? It took you long enough? Next up, we have syphilis.
Red alert, red alert. This infection is highly contagious. Red alert. I repeat, danger. Danger.
You can get syphilis through vaginal, anal, and oral sex. I'm telling you, this shit could get into your gums, your lips, the back of your throat, and even the roof of your mouth. Now, this is something you definitely got to get treated early. Why? Well, if you want to have a partial damaged brain or paralysis or even blindness, then yeah, you can wait. Who am I to say? This next one is pretty obvious, but I feel like it's worth mentioning, and that is HIV. This is another very serious thing.
Danger. Danger.
You can get HIV through oral sex and even kissing. Is kissing part of like oral sex? Okay, so I can't find anything that's logical to find that answer, but if you do know the answer, please let me know in the comments. I would really do appreciate it. Now, at the time of this recording, there isn't any cure for HIV. They do give you medication, but that is to help control the virus and help you live a little bit longer. It's that deadly. Next up, we got the trio hepatitis A, B, and C. Hepatitis is when your liver is inflamed because of the virus, and it comes in 3 forms, A, B, and C. Hepatitis A can clear up by itself, but it's highly recommended that you check out some professional help and seek medical attention. Hepatitis B and C, on the other hand, doesn't really have a widespread cure, but it requires a long-term treatment. Next up, we have something called Trichomoniasis. Now, I don't know about you, but I didn't know shit about no Trichomoniasis. It sounds like a Pokemon, if you ask me. But there is something called Trichomoniasis. I told myself I was going to say this word right. It's a pesticide infection that lives in your genital area. Like, I don't want to hurt anyone's feelings, but that's fucking disgusting. Now, this infection obviously can occur through oral sex, but it's so very rare. But you still got to be careful. It can be cured with some antibiotics though, so keep that in mind if you have it. Which brings me to the next point. I can't stress how important it is for you guys to stay safe when you're performing any type of sexual activity and get tested so you know. If you have any one of these infections, it's very important for you to take care of yourself. You gotta let your partner know. You'll be helping them out, but most importantly, you'll be helping yourself out. Like this, like I got an STI. I'm clean, guys. I'm clean. I promise you. I promise you. I'm clean. 2 seconds. Bada bing, bada boom. How we go is how we do. We don't know what I'm rhyming, but scooty doo doo. Okay, so first we have general.